Hi, you guys. I hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to describe what's coming up this week because it's going to be really busy. Um, Today, Monday, April 2nd, you have your peer review due, which will be discussion 3A. And then Wednesday, April 4th, you have discussion 3B, which is considering feedback, where you basically give feedback on your feedback. And then the essay is due on Friday. So my job will be to give you guys feedback on your rough drafts by Tuesday night. I'll try to get that'll be my goal, to get through all of them by Tuesday night, so that you have time to do what you need to do. I also wanted to make sure that you guys do watch the video in this announcement. All right. That will be helpful as you go to do your peer feedback, which is discussion 3A. And then I also wanted to call your attention to this announcement. So just a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. There are some announcements that are written and they're scheduled to be released at certain times. And I had locked this particular announcement until it was too late to be beneficial to most of you guys. So just so you know, this resource is here telling you how to properly create the works cited entry for each of the sources used in your first essay, and that'll be there for you to basically just copy and paste it into your works cited page for your final draft. I'm really sorry that I didn't get that sooner, because it's much more satisfying to get practice doing it the right way first, right? And that was just totally my goof. The good thing is you don't lose any points for not having it correctly in your rough draft, and it is there for the final draft when it actually does matter. So make sure you check that out. All right, so recapping this week, you have, I'm going to go to my bookmarks. I bookmarked the schedule because that's a little bit easier to work with, I find. All right, so we just kind of rocket through all semester, but this week I think is particularly busy since last week we did no, last week was busy too, huh? Okay. Like I said, peer feedback to it's Sunday when I'm recording this. So Monday, April 2nd, 3B, considering feedback for Wednesday, and then the final draft for Friday. If you had trouble submitting your rough draft, please let me know. And as always, you guys can email me if you have questions, okay? Have a great week.